They call me Squirrel.
What's going on over here on the other side of Squirrel? I am trying to put out a few different things today. We'll see how many of them get through. I released Eva Cassidy Over the Rainbow. A lot of people had commented how she was taken too soon. She was no longer with us, which I didn't even know that at the time of recording it. And then I had people that requested some other songs of hers. I think the Mooch sent this one over to me, and I thought today maybe I'd just try another one. The first one got blocked. I had to wait, for a long time, and eventually I just said, the hell with it. While it was in dispute, I put it out. They could still pull it down. We'll see. But I'm hoping this one gets through. I'm not sure, but he did say that this Songbird is the name of this song. He said Songbird was another great piece from Eva Cassidy. So I figured I would give it a whirl. Let's see where we get with it. It's the worst that could happen. Well, Anyways, I'm not going to sing along. I'm not going to talk throughout it. I'm just going to try to be quiet and listen along, and we'll talk about it on the other side. This is Eva Cassidy, Songbird. Here we go. No video. No video.
For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I would give the world. To you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before.
So that was Eva Cassidy. That was a beautiful little love song. Beautiful little piece. She got a really nice tone to her voice. But beautiful. Wow. So glad I dug back into her and just an extra little Eva Cassidy piece. Maybe you'll see this in 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, or never, depending on what the record company decides to do for us. But we'll see. I loved it. I thought it was great. It was so nice. It was a good way to end the night tonight. That was my final recording for the evening tonight. And if everything goes well, I'll have 3 music pieces to honor for you to celebrate our 10,000 subscribers over here on the other side of Squirrel. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Thanks for believing in me. Thanks for being on this journey. We got a long way to go. Stick with me. We're gonna do some fun things. We're gonna introduce you to a lot of new artists, a lot of new songs, and I'm gonna find them with you. We're gonna love them together. You guys, take care of yourselves. All right. Be good. Scroll out.